Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another tumbler tutorial. In this video we'll show you how to clean up the paint and epoxy around your tumbler rim. This tumbler that I'll be cleaning up for the video is a glitter hydro dip, and so it's already had 2 coats of epoxy on the cup. You can see the inside of it is pretty ugly, but it's totally easy to clean out. To start cleaning the rim, I'm going to clean up the first layer of epoxy that's inside of the cup. I prefer to use my Cricut True Control knife for these projects because I find it a lot safer to use than my X-Acto knife. The blade is locked in so it will not slide out, and there's an anti-roll grip. And I will link this product in the description box below. But as you can see, I am still using a knife on the inside of a cup, so you have to be sure to use safety precautions and be super careful while doing this part of the cleanup. Once I've ran my knife along the inside rim all the way around the cup, I'm next going to take pure 100% acetone to clean out any paint or glitter that's inside of the cup. So I'm just going to pour the acetone onto a paper towel, and I'm only going to use it to clean out the inside of the cup. I won't use it on the outside. The inside is really the only part that needs cleanup. So you can see that the acetone really does its work on the inside of the cup. So you'll just repeat this process all the way around the inside of your cup until it is completely cleaned out. As you use the acetone, you might find small flakes of epoxy that you left behind on the inside of your cup. And you can either just pop them out with your blade, or a lot of times you can just scratch them off with a nail. Then after I've cleaned the cup out with acetone, I'll wash it with warm soap and water. And now this cup is ready for a new home. So thanks guys for watching. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thank you.